boys and girls, welcome back. So we're going to continue with adding numbers. Yesterday we learned how to add up to the number 5. Today we're going to go a little higher than that and we're going to add up to 10. Okay? So before we get into that, let's just review what this plus sign means. So this plus sign, or the addition symbol, means that you have to put it together. So if you remember, for example, yesterday we had, let's write this down. And here's this little plus sign, right? So if I have 1, right, 1 yellow cube plus 2 yellow cubes, so here's 1, here's the other, 2 yellow cubes, 1 plus 2, that means I put these guys together, just like this. So ready, watch. Putting it together, I have 3. Ready, look, 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 altogether. Okay, so whenever I see this plus sign, for the addition symbol, I put the numbers together. Okay, let's erase this. Now let's work with some higher numbers. So what if I had 4 yellow cubes? So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow cubes. And just to help myself, I'm going to write the number 4 under it. So I have 4. 4 plus, let's put 3 blue cubes. So count along as I place the cubes on the little board. Ready? 1, 2, 3, right? So I have 4 yellow cubes, plus means that I have to put it together, right? 3. So I'm going to write the number 3 under just so I know what I'm talking about. 4 plus 3 is equal to what? So what do I have to do with these numbers? Yeah, I have to put them together. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cubes together. So here's my 4 cubes that I started off with. All right, and combining them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have 3 more that I'm adding or putting together. How many cubes am I holding up? Whoops, it's not on the screen. There we go. How many cubes am I holding up here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 cubes plus 3 cubes is equal to 7 cubes. Okay? So every time, just like yesterday, if you have the plus symbol, the plus sign, you have to put those numbers together. So let's do a few more examples. So now I'm going to use bigger numbers. All right, what if I had What if I had 3 yellows and 7 blues, right? So let's show our 3 yellows. So I have 3 yellows and 7 blues. So sometimes when you have an addition number sentence, you're using only numbers, right? We don't have pictures. So let's make our picture. So I have 3. I need to get 3 counters. So let's count together and stop at 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So here are my 3 yellow counters. Plus, what number is this? You could say it out loud. Yeah, this is 7. So let's get 7 blue counters. You could use the same color, but I just want to make it easier for you to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more is 7. Okay, let me move this down a bit. Okay, so there are my 7 cubes. Now, it says 3 plus 7 is equal to or the same as, since I have this plus sign right here, what do I have to do? What do I have to do to those numbers? Call it out. That's right. So if you said put it together, you got it. So I have 3, and I have to put that together with my 7. Let's do that. So here's 3. Let's count on as we put it in, okay? Because I already know that there's 7 here. So I'm just going to attach it and count higher. So I have 3. Count with me. What's the number after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 3 plus 7 gives you 10. Number at 10 is a 1 and a 0. Nice job. Now, you could also show this using pictures. So you don't have to have something out like cubes. I just like to show it to you. But let's say you don't have cubes to use. Let's draw the picture of this number sentence. So 3, I'm going to do 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Plus means I have to put these numbers together. 7, let's do 7 dots. 1, count with me, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I have to add them, so all I do is I'm going to draw a circle on top. That means I'm putting it together. I'm showing that I'm putting these together. And I'm just going to count. Watch, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Same answer as before, right? And notice how I crossed out as I counted. I like to do that just so I don't get confused of what dots I used and what dots I didn't when I'm counting, okay? So that's a good trick to do when you're adding numbers. Let's do let's do 2 more examples. Okay, here we go. Now, quick question before I move on. What is this called? What is this called over here? Say it out loud, and I'm going to give away the answer in 3, 2, 1. So if you said it's an addition symbol or a plus sign, you are correct. Nice job. Now, follow-up question. What does that represent, or what does that mean I have to do to my numbers? Call it out again, and I'm going to give you the answer. Ready? 3, 2, 1. If you said put that together, great job. Okay, let's do our next example. So I have, let's use 6 plus 1. Actually, you know what? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 1. Alrighty, so I'm going to use my cubes again. So I need to get 6 cubes. So I'm going to take yellow cubes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here are my 6 cubes. How many more cubes am I adding to that? What am I adding? What's this number over here? Call it out. That's right, 2. So I have 6 plus 2. So let's get 2 cubes. 1, 2. Okay. Now I have to put it all together. So I'm going to circle this. I'm going to circle around so I know I have to count them together. So let's just count them. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is equal to or the same as 8, right? Okay, let's do one more, and I think we'll be good. All right, here we go. What if I had this? This time I'll just show the counters that I'm using, and then we'll fill in the numbers. All right, so let's look at how many yellow counters I have first. So count with me. Here we go. 1, 2. So I have 2 yellow counters. Here's my number 2. Plus, now again, this means you put it together. 1, 2, 3 blue counters. So I have 2 plus 3. The plus sign means I put it together. So let's count out loud how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Nice work, everybody. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll do some more examples on Zoom together. But I think you guys are experts already, so I'll see you later.